My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Porsche Cayenne GTS. This vehicle has done just over 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have automatic headlights. On our screen we can access media, hands-free calling, smartphone integration, navigation, and map. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. Just below we can switch between off and on mode, comfort mode, sport mode, and sport plus. To the right we can adjust the vehicle suspension, and just below we can activate our sports exhaust sound system. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim with the GTS red embroidering. We have two rear screens. We can activate our apps, internet, settings, picture, video and music. And lastly, we can get a good view of our pan roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.